Yeah, one more for you. Okay, so last problem of the day, and this is the same your turn. I'm going to take a sip. Cold coffee. Uh, and then we're done with our video for today. So this one is a funny business problem. So I've got cosine of 2 theta. Funny business. I don't like that. That is causing trouble. So I want to use my trig identity sheet to get rid of that. So it's the 2 theta that I'm upset about. So that's telling me, hey, I should check out my double angles. That's going to be a good place to look. All right, here we are. So again, it's cosine, so I get an option. I've got 3 different things that I can choose from. If I do the first option, I'm going to end up with sine and cosine, and it's going to be squared, so that's telling me I've got a factor. So I don't want to do the first option. If I do the second option, again, I'm going to get sine right here and the cosine over there. That's not going to be a good option either. But if I do the last option, I'll have a cosine squared and a cosine. That's going to be a good option. So I'll have all cosines. It will be able to factor. It's going to be great. So I'm going to do the 2 cosine squared theta minus 1 to replace this piece right here. 2 cosine squared theta minus 1 plus 5 cosine theta plus 3 equals 0. This piece being what was already in the problem. Okay, I want to clean that up a little bit. So I've got 2 cosine squared theta plus 5 cosine theta plus 2, struggled a little there, equals 0. All right, now it's time to factor. So I'm going to make them w's just to make my life easier. 2w squared plus 5w plus 2 equals 0. Boop, boop. Sorry, I don't know if that's annoying on people's headphones. I shouldn't do that. So I got 2w and a w. And then we've got 2 and 2 and 1. So I want to make 5. Ooh, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1. So if I put this 2 over here, this 2 and this 2 multiply together to be 4. And then another 1w will make 5w's. Sweet. Factor. All right. Plus and plus. All right. Good factor. And then we turn it back into cosine. I forgot what I was doing. So 2 cosine theta plus 1. And we've got a cosine theta plus 2 equals 0. All right. Now we want to make our 2 little equations. So right here, we've got cosine of theta equals negative 1/2. And then for the other one, we've got cosine of theta equals negative 2. All right. Oh, that 2 looks really bad. Let me fix that 2. All right. Now, I'm going to actually do the blue one first because I'm excited about it. The second one is bad. That is one of those bad ones that we're not allowed to do. Notice that. It's too negative. Like the lowest cosine goes is negative 1. And the highest it goes is 1. So if you get something that's bigger than 1, it's no solution. Or in this case, here's negative 1, we're below negative 1, and cosine doesn't go that low. The lowest it goes is negative 1. It doesn't reach negative 2. So this blue piece has no solution. You can even see that if, like, say you were trying to work this one, like you forgot about that, and you go to your calculator and you're like, calculator, help me out. I don't know what to do. So you go inverse cosine of negative 2 because you're trying to solve it. And if you hit enter on that, the calculator blows up because the calculator doesn't know it because it doesn't exist. It's outside of the domain of inverse cosine. So, or it's outside of the range of regular cosine. Because remember, when you swap from regular to inverse, domain and range switch. So that's why you get that domain error. So it's saying, I can't do this, the hard. All right. Now the other one we can do easy peasy. I need the two quadrants where cosine is negative, so that's going to be over here and over here. I need a reference angle. My reference angle, cosine counts down, pi over 3. So the pi over 3 in quadrant 2 is 2 pi over 3. And the pi over 3 in quadrant 3 is 4 pi over 3. So I only get these two answers. And then we're done. That's it. So hopefully you've worked through or going to work through your nice your turn problems. And I will see you back on Zoom in a bit. Bye.